Sunny, kinda. The peace after the storm. Last night was crazy. I was so glad I had a roof because it rained buckets and buckets. It rained so much that even this roof that is relatively new, I guess, it was leaking. And obviously it was leaking where I put the tent. It was leaking here, exactly here, and a small leak around there. Had I put my tent here, would have been much better, but it is what it is. I was grateful. I had took the decision to stop here a little early instead of continuing till sunset. Another day starts on the Tuscany Trail 2021 edition. Or 2021 route. I think it should be good weather for the next few days now. At least 3 days. I think almost made it to the village. 9 kilometers, I think. Oh man, I'm drenched. I'm all wet. It's not super warm, but it's super humid. Alright. Made it. Let's find some food and water. La bottega. Oh, they even have chairs. Perfect. The landscape is changing from yesterday, from Siena. Slowly changing. It's the end of the rolling hills. Rest area for the Via Francigena. Canterbury 1456 kilometers. Welcome, this space is at your disposal. No camping though. This is a steep descent. this pair. They're very tough, but I can still have a bite, you know. I stopped for water. I met Jack Black maybe, and I decided to change route. Fuck the Tuscany Trail, and I'm following the Via Francigena because I'm a bit tired of this trail, and I think now is gonna follow a boring section. So I'm following the Via Francigena that will take me to Rome in about a couple of days, I think. Most of the Tuscany Trail was Via Francigena anyway.
Those tires are good for that.
Indeed. Hello, bikepackers. Buena. Big dark cloud. Roceno, Porta del Lazio. So I think here we leave Tuscany and we enter Lazio.
Wait.
Which way?
I don't know.
This way, man. Ciao. Roceno, the gate of Lazio. Hopefully there is a bakery. I need some to refuel. Roceno, someone at the beginning of the village put some tape on the P, making it look like an F. Froceno, which in Italian means a derogative term to call homosexuals. It's a different auto altogether. Forgot to film in between. What?
I got a stamp. I got a passport stamp.
Yeah.
Because I'm a loser.
Jack is getting the stamps of the Via Francigena.
Because I'm a loser.
Stamp your credential here.
What?
We're hitting the Lake of Bolsena. I have no idea what's the name of this town. San Lorenzo Nuovo, maybe. The Lake of Bolsena. Lago di Bolsena.
If I bring it to the bike shop, though, it'll probably cost.
Beautiful. A bit humid with this fucking rain, but beautiful.
It's a little nicer now. It was definitely like really when we first started from.
Yeah, because it had just rain.
It's so gross.
Yeah.
Now it's kind of fresh.
In 200 meters, keep left at the fork. Keep left.
Left.
Oh my God. I'm thinking it's like gonna go downhill. Joke.
Welcome to my world. I'm always thinking to go down.
Follow this way for 550 meters.
Vabbè. Man, we never get to Bolsena. No, straight.
There's another sign that says right.
No, right where?
Walking.
No, go straight. So yeah, let's go down this way and then we are in the city center. Jack,
Hey.
it was a pleasure meeting you.
Yeah.
We had some squares of pizza, we had beer to celebrate our meeting and almost my 90,000 kilometers. Let's see how many. 89, 986. It's bad luck to celebrate before, but who cares? Who the fuck cares? Now,
You're close enough, you know.
he's going, he booked an hotel room. I will continue to
bougie.
find a wild camping spot.
Oh, look at that though.
Yeah, nice sunset. Let's see if I find something decent where to spend the night. It's gonna be tough. Let's see if I can find a decent spot to camp tonight. The soil is very, very wet, so if I have to camp on the soil, it's gonna be
Now continue straight on Via
Shitty.
Francigena.
Let's see.
Next, go straight.
Last night I cried, I thought I'd die without you. Those tears are gone, no I don't even care about you. I'm happy again, life is a blessing if I think of you. Ain't a thing that I've been missing, I'm here on my own, just singing this song. Now that you're gone,